Hey guys, welcome back to Novus and Friends. Today we're going to be fitting and welding in the replacement piece of the floor pan. First thing, we mark the center of the bar. The bar is 2 inch by 16 inch by 1/4 inch thick steel. On the front side, we drilled out this 5/16 inch hole and put in place with a bolt. We measured from the center mark to the pinch weld, which for this car was 6 3/8 of an inch. Then we measured the other side, that length, to the pinch weld to make this bar parallel. Once parallel, we marked out these back holes and drilled them out. Now with this template, we can go to the other side, flip it over, and put it into these bolt holes and measure to the pinch weld. Once the measurement is parallel on both of these ends, you can confirm that this replacement piece at this point is in the right place for welding. So we cut out this area down here so we get flush, tacked in this piece of box tubing so we could use ported power to align this a replacement piece so we could put in this template to align our floor. Alright, now that our template is in the proper area, we can now work on the front. For the outside measurements, we went to National Nostalgic Nova and went and got some measurements of the exact same year car. These are the measurements that we got. Our dimensions line up pretty well with what it's supposed to be, so we're going to go forward with where it's at. Alright guys, so now we got this area down here all spot welded, holding it in place so we can get some of the other places welded. And down in here, we're cutting through both layers of metal so we can butt weld it together. Pardon our mess, but it's pretty easy to keep working with the tools within reach. So we've been going down the edge slowly, prepping the area, and then tacking it in place. And we're going to continue doing that the rest of the way through the panel. Well, we've welded our way up the transmission tunnel now, and started getting the firewall welded up. Now it's time for us to retap these holes before we lay on the fenders. To retap these holes, we're going to be using a 3/8 and 5/16 coarse thread taps. Let's get into it. Now it's time to do the other side. Now it's time for us to retap the radiator support. All this hardware is for mock-up only. Don't be critical, we know this hardware is not factory correct. This is how the factory helped line it up. They used a dowel pin. For now we're going to leave this hole where a rivet used to be empty. Later we'll put bolts in it when we are finished. Alright guys, thanks for watching. We're nearing 100 subscribers pretty quickly, so let's see if we can make it there by the end of the year. Thanks for watching, we'll see you next time.